Good morning everyone. Good morning everyone. The day has just begun. I like to see your smiling face. I like to see your smiling face. Good morning everyone. Good morning children. Did you have your breakfast today? Yes, mommy will prepare yummy food, right? Yes. Okay. Last class we have studied about general knowledge oral, right children? General knowledge oral. So now tell me, how many days in a week? There are how many days? There are 7 days in a week. How many days are in a week? There are 7 days in a week. Name the days of the week. Say with me. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. There are 7 days in a week. There are 7 days in a week. 7 seconds. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. There are 7 days in a week. How many days? How many months in a year? Months. How many months in a year? There are 12 months. There are 12 months. 12 months in a year. 12 months in a year. Name the months. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. 7 again. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. There are 12 months in a year. There are 7 days in a month. There are 7 days. Sorry. There are 7 days in a week. There are 7 days in a week. There are 12 months in a year. There are 12 months in a year. There are 7 days in a week. Next, name any two fruits. Apple and which one? Mango, right? Apple and mango. Which is your favorite food? My favorite food is mango. Which is your favorite food? Mango. Yes, yummy, right? Yes. Apple and mango. Name any two fruits. Apple and mango. Which fruit is called the king of the fruit? Which one? My favorite fruit, mango. Mango is the king of the fruit. Mango is the king of the fruit. Which fruit is called as king of the fruit? Mango is the king of the fruit. Next, which color is tomato? Red. Good children. Red color is tomato. Next, name two vegetables we can eat raw. ಹಾಗೆ ಹಸಿದೆ ತಿನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು? We can eat raw. Which vegetable? Carrot and tomato. Carrot and tomato. Carrot and tomato. Next question. Name any two square shaped object. You already know square shape. Yeah. What is this? Square shape, right? Which shape is this? Square shape. What can we see square shape? Box, tiffin box, right? Tiffin box, napkin. You have napkin, right? Napkin also is in square shape, right? And tiffin box is in also square shape. Name any two square shape object. Napkin, box. Napkin, box. Good. Meals of the day. Meals of the day. Morning we eat dinner. Right? No. Morning we eat breakfast. Morning we eat breakfast. Afternoon we eat lunch. Good children. Afternoon we eat lunch. Afternoon we eat called lunch. Night we eat dinner. Night we eat dinner. 7 again. Morning we eat breakfast. Morning we eat we love Joker, right? We will always laughing. Yes, children. Yes, what Joker in TV, in YouTube, right, children? Yes. Next, we will go for numbers. After number. Children, you should leave this box and after WHAT. What? Leave one box. COMPS comes. Leave one box. AFTER. After. What is this? AFTER. After. Full stop. What we call this? Full stop. In LKG, you know, learn this as dot. Now you will go for this. You want to tell this full stop. Okay. Don't forget to put this full stop. Full stop. Oh. What is after? What is after, children? What comes after? Okay. What comes after? For example, now I will write 1. 1 after? What will come? 1 after? Say the numbers. 0, 1, 2. Good. 1 after? 2. Next, I go for 37. Okay. 37 after? Come 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37. After that, 38. Good children. 38. Next, 68. After 68, 69. Good children. 69. This is we call as after numbers. What comes after means before 37 after 38. We call as 37 after 38. Okay, children. Now we will go for exercise. Notes. Okay. You want to write here only, children? I will send the notes in WhatsApp. Now tell me 0. What is this? 0. Leave one box and write the dash. 0 after? 0 after? What will come? 1. 0 after? 1. 0 after 1. What we will call after? After means next numbers. Next number we will call after. Next, leave one box and now you want to write B. Don't write the 1, 2, 3 and all. Okay? You want to write A, B, C only. Okay, children? Next B. 12. After 12, what will come? 11, 12. After that, 13. Good children. 13. You want to write here dash. Don't forget to write here. You want to write dash in red pencil. Okay? Okay, children. You want to write 89. 89. 89. Next. Oh. 46. After this, what will come? 46 after 48. 48 will come? No. 47. Like this, you want to write in notes. This is notes. I will send you in the WhatsApp. You want to write in classwork and homework book. Yes, children. Next, we will go for what comes before number. What comes before? B-E-F-O-R-E. Before full stop. We have studied after number. Now you know what's the after number, right, children? Now we will go for what comes before. B-E-F-O-R-E. Before. B-E-F-O-R-E. Before. What comes before means? What comes after means? After. Before means before. Okay, children? Backward. We call as before. Now, here we are given dash. Next, which number is here? 4. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Before that, which number is here? 3. Before 4, which number is here? 3. What I want to write here? 3. Good. Which number is this? 3. 3, 4. Before 4, before 4, what number is come? 3. Next, before 18. Which number? Before 18. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18. Before 18. 17. Yes. Before 18. 17. Next. 22. 20, 21, 22, 23. Before 22. Which number is here? 21. Which number is here? 21. Next. 28. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. Before 28, 27. Good, children. 27. I hope you are understanding now. 57. Which number is this? 57. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57. Which number before 57? 56. Yes, 56. 99. Before that? 98. Good, children. 98. Say 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99. Before 99, 98. Yes. Next, 65. Before 65, which number will come? 63? No, 64. 64, 65. 81. Before 81, 80, 81. Before 81 will come. What I want to write here? 80. 80. Yes or no? Yes. 80 is right. Before number
want to write